wire at the back door. Here's the shelf so far. I like the rustic look, you know. I don't like it looking all new and perfect, so this is perfect for me. To each their own. So this is gonna go back up here. So basically I just have to put in some wood braces here to shift it up a little bit. I'll nail those in. And then I'm gonna design basically a paper towel rack right here. Figured that'd be a pretty good idea to have a paper towel rack. Have some scrap aluminum. I'll show you how I'm gonna do that real quick. And we'll get those couple things done, and then we'll brace and bolt this thing onto the door, and then we'll put in some spices and start cooking. All right, let's go.